And we're back. This time I'm going to show you how to export files in After Effects with a transparent background. Let us once again create an audio spectrum with height and the duration are important here. I've got this song which is 2:30 long. I'll put it here. And now we can work with it. Afterwards go to Layer, New and Solid. Make sure width and height are the same. And we're good to go. Make sure it's activated and go to Effect, Generate and Audio Spectrum. Change the source to our song name. And now it already works. I don't want to go over all of these details as we have done so already in the last tutorial. If you haven't seen that, maybe you want to check it out. So let me adjust this just a little bit. Maybe I'll decrease the maximum height a little bit more. And that's fine. Then we go to File, Export, and then click on the render. And now it's down here in our bottom menu. Click on the lossless. Output module settings will automatically open. Under video input you will have to change the channels to RGB plus alpha, then click on OK. Under output 2 you can change the name of the file and where you want to put it to. Just click on it and there you can save it. And then you have to click on render. It may take some time until this one's fully loaded. I have already done that to save us some time. So let me just open Premiere Pro and there I have the finished version. Let me put a background image into the timeline and afterwards I'll put our audio spectrum on top of it. And there it is already. It's quite small, but let me just run the clip a little bit, but I'll make the background image longer. Now I'll play the clip and there you can see it works. Just double click on it and you can resize it. I'll make it bigger and put it at the bottom, maybe like so. And now everything works fine. Instead of a background image you could obviously just use footage and put it in the background. The audio spectrum will be overlaid. And this is how you can create files with a transparent background in After Effects. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.